Yeah, so Binu, the question that you had was how do I add background to the page, correct? Background image to the page.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so see, let me, what I'll do is I'll just open a notepad and then let me start typing the basic things required and see how it works and how it not works, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is basically the structure of a website. And
Yes,
what
sir.
you want to do is you want to apply background for the entire page. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, I have done that before. I'll just show you like what we have done. See, for example, this is a one internal software that we use for handling all our projects. So you'll see that there's something blue on the background here, the blue, and then the bottom also is a little bit of a blue. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is actually a background image, and but so we have. I mean, I have done that before. So now when I'm going to do it, what I'll show you is how do I approach such situations. Like if I want to, if I have clarity as to what I want, what do I do? How do I find that situation? It is not that I may remember every single, command or every single syntax. It's not. It
Yes,
is
sir.
not easy to remember everything. Okay, so there is a way of doing it. So I'll tell you how I approach. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us say I'm just going to say pre-training as a text. I'm just going to write a text between body, and I just
Yes,
save
sir.
this in the same place where I keep saving all the others. So here in examples, I will save it as today's date. I save it as background body image. Okay, and I'll save it as HTML file. And once I've saved it, let me open it. So this is the one that I created. So I'm just opening it now. So it has come like this. It's come as pre-training. So now let us see how I would approach it. So I would say HTML body background image. So let's say I'm just searching something like this. Okay. And one of the ways in which I usually search is like instead of just going through W3 schools, another very good source for searching anything that you want is in a website community called Stack Overflow. Okay, Stack
Yes, sir.
Overflow. Now these guys are really good. I have an account there. You can also create an account there. Yeah,
Yes,
and,
sir.
you even without an account also, if you just search with Stack Overflow, it will give you results from Stack Overflow. So the
Yes,
advantage
sir.
is if you are struggling with anything on programming, if you are stuck somewhere, and especially with popular programming languages like PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and all that, you get a lot of answers. Like there'll be hundreds of people who would have answered similar things. So what I would do,
Yes.
I would just come here and I would search for it. And best way to implement background image on HTML or body. So that seems to be a good discussion. So I'll just open that. So here it says HTML background image property. Someone is asking for it. So somebody has come and told that they can do it something in background size cover, and it appears to be working. Okay, so someone has told that this answer is correct, and 28 people, 26 people have told that this is a good answer. They have given a up rating. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what I will do is I will just take this. Okay, and or I can even just copy the style inside and put it inside the body tag. I need not have to copy that. So let me take that and let me put that inside over here. So style, and I will put that inside over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So having done that, I'll have to replace the image over here. So what I have been doing is I have in the previous ones I already have some image there. So I'll just open that notepad And let me take out the image from the previous one. So where is the image? Yeah, there you are. Okay, so I am taking the image from the previous file, and I am bringing it over here, and I am putting it over here. Okay, so
Yes.
according to
Yes.
this particular post, this should work. So I have saved it, and when I come and refresh this, it has to work. So no, it's not working. Yeah, the image is still there, but it's not working. Please cover. So let's see what's happening here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to add back? How to add background? File on. Okay, so what I'll do is probably instead of putting it over there, let me put it as a separate style element.
Yes.
Not sure. This thing is body. Still not working. Background image. Okay, let me put this background size and see if that makes some difference.
Yes, sir.
It's not working. Here's an issue with background image. Background image. Body. Yeah, okay. There's somebody who's answering specifically that one. Body element. Body, my code. Body tag has a special behavior since it is supposed to be the root whole page. The background image or color of body element always is located at the top left corner, only way to position background position. So there's this person has done something else. So let's see if this works. He has given something called background position, whereas we are not doing that. So let's try this. Okay, the border has come, but it is still not come. Background. Okay. Here is background image not loading. Here is another image with result. Work fine. Just put only the image part. Please check. Adding on family color. So what we'll do is probably we'll see whether it works. The background image works from the online URL. Okay, so that's an image. Let us put an online URL here and see if that does something different. Okay, so I'm just putting an online URL here. I'm coming back to this place. Yeah. So basically, the local URL is not working. The online URL is working.
Oh, yes, sir.
So that's it. So I think that's where we were stuck till now. So that was a very good question. That was a very good question. That's working. But however, I'll show you how we achieved that in our page. Here we did not use a background URL. We did something else. We actually used a JavaScript. We use something in JavaScript to put the background image. I'll just show you that thing. Okay. See, this is where it is.
Yes.
This is what we used for it. So we used a particular JavaScript or a jQuery plugin called Backstretch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we just put the URL here, and with this backstretch, automatically the image goes and applies itself in the body tag.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is what we have done. And of course, here also we did put something. We did put an index background image. We have put something here. In the body tag also we have put. Okay, but this is the one that is applying. The backstretch is what is applying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, good that I should say the online, whatever we saw has given us some kind of an answer. So,
Yes,
do you
sir.
have any more questions, Binu?
Sir, how to insert links in the nav bar, sir?
That is already there, no? In the, it is already there.
Previous videos.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Then the style tag is not working for me, sir. What shall I do for it?
What is style tag?
Sir?
What is style tag? I didn't understand.
This always when we use the style tag, it doesn't work, sir.
Where? If you can give me an example, I can see what you.
Yes, sir. For this background image only, sir. For other things also, I have used for style tags, sir. I have to search for that. Inside the body, I'll introduce it, sir. But it doesn't work for me.
It will work. It will work. I have not faced such a situation before. It will work for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have any other questions?
No, sir.
Sir, when you have done a style tag earlier, I remember in one of the video, for the bold, for the italics and all, I think you have given under the style tag only, right, sir?
Yeah, you can either put it under style tag or you can put it inside the element. You can do it in any way.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyone else has a doubt? Pravina or Surya, do you have any doubt?
Sir, I am Surya.
Yes, Surya.
I have joined it newly, sir. Yesterday only I joined it.
Okay.
I know something about HTML, CSS a little bit. I am also studying now.
Okay.
But I in the website, can I speak in Tamil?
Yeah, go ahead.
சார் அந்த வெப்சைட்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்றத ஒரு பட்டன் மூலமா கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்ண ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம்ல சார்.
ஓகே.
டைமர் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு அது கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்கு சார். நம்ம ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டுட்டு அப்பப்போ நம்ம செக் பண்ணணுமா இல்ல எப்படி? அது அந்த ப்ராசஸ் கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு சரியா புரியல சார்.
See, what you have to do is you have to make an update every 8 minutes in that particular software.
Update?
Yeah, you have to make an update every 8 minutes. So if you watch the first and second video in that playlist, if you watch the first and the second video, and any other video that is there, I'm actually making an update. So whenever I'm trying to learn, if I am learning a particular item, I immediately put what I am learning over there. And then when I come back and as I am learning, if I have moved on to something new, I immediately write what I am doing there. And every 8 minutes, even the software also makes an alarm, reminding you to make an update, whatever you are learning.
Okay.
Yeah. So any other questions? If there are no questions, then we will close for this week. So for next week, please go through more, spend more time, and come out with specific questions. Like Vinu's question was really nice. Like I myself, I learned something new here. That okay, only online URLs are working and local URLs are not working in background image. Yeah. So let us close for now. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. I think Rachna has joined. Rachna, good morning. Do you have any doubt you would like to ask? Hello, Rachna, good morning.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, Binu, go ahead.
Sir, how to insert an animative background, sir? I searched for it, but they gave for the style tag. Inside the style tag, they have those animation borders, animative borders, sir.
See, one of the easiest ways is to put a zip file. A zip file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and just include that in the include that URL here, and you will automatically get what you want. That is one of the easiest way.
Yes, sir. They have mentioned the groove border for that, sir, so that I have some doubt with that.
Maybe even I do not know that. What is that? CSS groove?
Yes, sir. Border, for the border type, they gave groove for animated types, sir.
Okay. Groove. Yeah, it says defines a 3D grooved border. The effect depends on the border color value. So groove is like this. It basically gives a kind of a 3D thing. Yeah. So it's already there here. Border style groove. So we can even put that here because there's a border here. I can just put it here and refresh the page and see. Yeah, it has basically changed the color a bit, but not much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Maybe if we increase the width, probably it will. So if I make this, let's say 10 pixels, then if I refresh it, maybe it will look a little different. Yeah, it has a kind of a 3D kind of a feeling to it. It has a kind of a 3D kind of feeling, as if it's a. If you're looking at the top and it's something like this, so with a shadow effect or something, it's got a 3D look to it.
Yes, sir.
I can even increase this to make that, so it has got something like this, got a 3D kind of a look. Yeah. As if the light is coming from this side and the shadows are coming on the other side. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What else?
Yes, that's all, sir. That's all.
Okay. Okay, then, so we'll close for now. Thank you very much for attending. Though only 2 people put names, we have 4 to 5 people who have joined. So thank you very much. Please spend at least 8 hours every day. Do not ignore your Saturdays and Sundays, and complete your level 1 at the earliest and go to level 2. So all the best to all of you, and thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Thank you. Same to you.